I'm back with my digital twin, Jason, and we're at the Intel booth because there's a multi-year partnership between these two companies.
Absolutely, Michael. So we start our partnership with 5G and we extended it to cloud, and now we're talking about the industrial edge and how important that is for Industry 4.0.
There have been a lot of things that have happened over the past few years in this department. Let's find out what's new here at Mobile World Congress 2022. Pasi from Intel is going to tell us all about the latest evolution. Good to have you with us.
Hey Michael, welcome.
Tell us what's new here at Mobile World Congress 2022 for Intel and Nokia.
Well, for Intel and Nokia, we worked for years on networks. We've built networks, we've optimized networks. This year we're taking it beyond just networking. We are bringing in AI, we are bringing in video analytics on top of the Nokia MX platform.
And what are you hearing from your customers on this front?
Well, our customers are super excited about this, and this is like the industrial revolution or the fourth industrial revolution, and how it brings AI capabilities, how low latency communications make it possible to optimize and streamline your operations is a great opportunity for them.
Okay, now Jason, we've got a demonstration here as well on all this?
Absolutely. So we're actually demonstrating the MX product live, so you can really see how this type of technology really supports like physical, digital combination of technologies to really drive that fourth industrial revolution and concentrate on operational technologies that are really key for this type of segment.
Okay, well there's an extensive demo if you're down here, but let's get the elevator pitch from the gentleman now. Fabian, come on in.
Hello, warm welcome from the Nokia lab, right? So we have here built for you a complete standalone 5G network with all its components end-to-end plug and play. And the core component is the mission-critical industrial edge, right? And this is the full of the Intel chipset, third generation Xeon. And we are profiting on top to utilize the power of a chip that's by Intel OpenVINO framework. And here, Michael from Intel will explain why OpenVINO is so successful in the developers community around to utilize the power of 5G private networks together with machine learning, AI capabilities to sense and to act for industrial environments.
Yeah, hello, Michael Hüter here from Intel. I'm together with Fabian in the lab here in Munich, streaming from here. And what we see in the background is the 5G stack from Nokia with all the equipment. And what we did, we put on top of their mission-critical industrial edge called MIXI, we put OpenVINO on top to enable a complete ecosystem for AR use cases and bring there with more value to the edge. So you have a lot of resources you can use, and we enable the industry to bring in more value near real time to what we are doing here with OpenVINO.
Gentlemen, thank you very much. Now, Pasi, we've got non-telco actors involved in this. They want to drive growth. They want to drive society.
Yeah, for sure. Like, this is a convergence of IT, of operational technology, of telco, and all of these actors need to come together. We all need to work together to make something that's greater than the sum of its parts.
And what are some of the hurdles we've had to overcome to make that possible?
But when we're combining two very different pieces of technology, we need to make sure that it works without a hitch, that it works seamlessly, and that if we have a telco network running at 100 gigabits per second, we got demanding video analytics going on, that they don't disturb each other, that everything works as it's expected to work.
Pasi, thank you. Now, Jason, further to this, it is critical that partnerships make this happen.
Absolutely, very important. Just as Pasi just said, specialists in the industry that really know these industrial automation systems are working with lots of different types of industry groups, and working together with Intel and Nokia and these industry groups, we can really kind of drive that fourth industrial transformation that's needed for these critical systems.
All right, Jason, thank you. We're at Mobile World Congress 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth.